In this video, I'm going to explain what bitrate is, and I'm going to try to do it in under 90 seconds. So let's go. Bitrate is how much data gets encoded for every second of video. But what does that really mean? Well, let's start with the basics. What is a video? A video is really just a stack of photos played fast, one after the other, with audio underneath. So what makes up 1 second of that video? A few things. First off is frame rate. And frame rate is how many of those photos you get per second. How big are those photos? Well, that's where resolution comes in. Resolution is how many pixels wide and high each photo is. And then there's a third thing called color depth, which is how much color information each pixel holds. Now, those three things together decide how much detail your video could have. And bitrate is the one that decides how much of that detail actually survives. We measure it in megabits per second. So when you see something like 8 or 15 megabits per second in your camera or your export settings, that's the bitrate. And the rule is quite simple. The higher the bitrate, the more data, the better the image. The lower the bitrate, and your image goes soft or blocky. Just keep in mind, the higher the bitrate, the more data, the bigger the file. And that's bitrate for you.